Hi, my name is Brendan Manning. I serve as the Emergency Operations Coordinator for the City of Laguna Beach Fire Department. And in this role, I oversee preparedness, mitigation, and help coordinate large responses. Over the past year, we've had lots of disasters here in Laguna Beach, unfortunately. And in that time, we've utilized the Genasys system for 2 fire responses. The first was the Emerald Fire in January of 2022 this year, where we deployed the system both for voluntary and for mandatory evacuations in North Laguna. And then in May, we had the Coastal Fire down in South Laguna, where we utilized the voluntary evacuations speaker feature within our Genasys system. So during the Emerald Fire and the Coastal Fire, we used the Genasys system to push out our outdoor warning system speakers. This, in conjunction with our other alert and warning systems, allowed us to make sure the message got out to as many people as possible, especially in a timely fashion when we were putting out mandatory and voluntary evacuations. When we deploy the Genasys system, it's done as a multifaceted alert and warning, where we want to get the message through as many different mechanisms and avenues as possible. The outdoor warning system allows us to, the way I look at it, as yell in people's backyards, sending out that loud tone, getting people's attention, and then giving them a message. We used it both for mandatory evacuations, and that's at 4 a.m. And that allows us to get that message to people who aren't listening to the radio or aren't monitoring social media. And then for voluntary evacuations, when people are out, giving them information as to what they should be doing. Laguna Beach has, for a very long time, looked at preparedness as everybody's responsibility. And it's our role in the fire department and at the city to make sure that people have information in advance of disasters. And then during a disaster, we use as many different options as possible to try to get the message out there. Our alert and warning plan uses text messages, uses our social media, and then our outdoor warning system speakers. And that's sort of the fail-safe, because it's a satellite-based, it's a solar backup power, so that if we lose cell phone towers, if we lose landlines, or if we lose electricity at our homes, it allows us to still have that. So our best practice is when we try to notify people during an emergency, we're going to do it through all of our channels, and the outdoor warning system through Genasys allows us to do that.
Attention, this is a test of the Laguna Beach outdoor warning system. In the event of a real emergency, additional information would be provided. This is only a test.